I'm thinking of a word, I'm thinking of a word, I'm thinking of a word, and bloomed is my word. I'm thinking of a word, Bloomed. Leanna.
ED.
Huh?
ED.
ED. And what sound is ED making in the word bloomed?
Dead. Swap.
Blue. Is it bloomed?
Lumen.
Bloomed. What sound is it making? Huh? It's making the D sound. Excellent. Excellent. I'm trying to call on someone who hasn't had a turn yet. A churro.
BL.
BL. That's a what?
Blend.
Blend. Excellent. And Kylie, what do you hear? Double O. What sound is the double O making? Ooh, bloomed. All right, that's it. Good job, friends. Pat yourselves on the back.